Hi guys, I've got a 1998 Cadillac DeVille Elegance. Of course, it's got the infamous Northstar engine that everybody loves. I put the starter in about 4 or 5 months ago, something like that, and seems like everything's working really good. But what I've always had a continuous problem with is I've got this parasitic electrical discharge. Something is draining my battery, and it's always been doing that, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I've learned. And I haven't fixed it, but at least I can drive the car. So just like everybody else, I've went through here, and the fuses are underneath here, and you put your voltmeter in, and you pull the fuse out until the voltmeter tells you, hey, you have a short or you don't have a short. The voltmeter moves and stuff like that, and you have somebody help you. I did that, and to no avail. I also went, let me show you. Also went in my trunk. I don't know if you can see it or not, but on the left side there's a panel right behind the seat, and it's really easy to take the panel off. This thing comes down here. You gotta cover up here. I don't know if you can see my hand or not, but this cover comes right off. You just unscrew it. There's some fuses there on the left side. On the right side there's some relays, and I was reading with everybody and on YouTube, and they were telling me that you have fuses in the back seat that you also need to check too. I did that, and I still was having a parasitic draw, and every couple of days, if I did not start the car, my car didn't start, because the parasitic draw just drained the battery. So one of the things I did find out what makes the car draw an electrical draw was this stupid thing. Just so you know, even though you have your car off, this electronic rear view mirror, if that is on, it draws power even though your car's off. So unless your car's running, leave it off. If you are driving, you need it, turn it on, because it's not going to affect you while you're driving. But as soon as you turn the car off, it draws a lot of power. So I don't even use it anymore, because I'm afraid if I'm driving the car during the day, it's going to drain my battery, even though I was out of the car for only a couple of hours. So I turned that off. So right now I bought a brand new battery, a good battery, and as long as I start the car once a day, the car runs. Sometimes 2 days, it'll start, but it's still, after that 3-4 days, it dies. It's not, the draw just kills the battery. So this is what I did. I installed this thing. Okay, and it's it's got a knob here, and all I do is just turn it off when I'm done driving the car, and turn it off when I'm going to use the car. I know it's a hassle. What I want to do is put a switch under the dash, or somewhere under the dash, and control it from there. But for right now, for you guys out there that all of a sudden you're finding out you have some kind of a power draw, unless you got some big money to send into the dealership, they're going to charge you easy grand just to figure out where the electrical short's at. Or you can spend the time to do it, and like me, I can't afford to not have a car for a day. So this is one quick way how to fix that, is install this this shut-off connection, and You know, like I said, when you drive it, obviously turn it on, and when you're not driving it, just turn the knob off, and it cuts the power to the whole car. So that's my best advice right now. It's a nice running car. Other than the Northstar engine, I have to baby it, but I don't drive the car over 65 miles an hour, and it's a great car. It's just, you know, this electrical parasitic draw issue, I guess it happens a lot, and I haven't seen or heard somebody say, yeah, this is what it is. It could be many things, but right now this is my solution, and it's a quick solution, and it only costs anywhere, you can buy these anywhere from $3 to $10, and it only takes, you know, like 5 minutes to install it. And it, you know, I don't need to give it a YouTube on how to install this thing, but it's really easy. I mean, you can do it. If not, just go to a battery place and they'll install it for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and share, and I'll talk to you later.